Let's see what letters we have today. The first letter is Ra. Ra. Like in the word Rajul. Rajul. The sound Ra in Arabic is like a rolled R. But it's no R, a lot of repetition, and it's no R, it's Ra. Just the tip of the tongue hits the post-alveolar, and it makes a little space, so it lets the sound to go through. Without this little space, the sound will be different. We'll speak more about the Ra sound. So to write it down, slant down like that. Let's move on to the next letter. Z. Z. Like in the word Zahra. Zahra. The sound is just like Z or Z sound, like in zero. To write it down, just slant down just like the Ra and put a dot at the top. After that, we have the letter Sa. Sa. Like in the word Samaka. Samaka. The sound is just like letter S in the word Saturday. To write the scene down, pull down around up twice and then pull down around but deeper. Then we have letter Sha. Sha. Like in the word Shams. Shams. The sound is like SH in the word shampoo. To write it down just like the Sa, pull down around up, small plates, and then pull down around big plate, and then put 3 dots at the top. Let's move into the next letter. Sa. Sa. Like in the word Hisan. Hisan. The sound is like S in the word Sab. So it's just like the Sa sound, but with the A. Sa. To write it down, draw an elliptical shape and then pull down around like a big plate. Let's move on to the next letter. Da. Da. Like in the word Dabba. 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 The sound is pretty close to the letter D in the word doll. But we'll have to speak more about the sound Dad in Arabic with more details. And to write it down, just like the Sad, draw an elliptical shape and then pull down around up like a big plate and then put a dot at the top. Then we have the letter Ta. Ta. Like in the word Ta'ira. Ta'ira. The sound Ta is like a dark T. Almost the same place of articulation, but it's dark. Ta. 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 So it has this A sound. Also, we'll speak more about letter Ta. Draw an elliptical shape and then pull down a stick on top. Let's move on to the next letter. Va. Va. Like in the word Dhabbi. Dhabbi. The sound is like THE, like letter The in Arabic, but it's also a dark The. Listen. The Va. The Va. So your tongue tip between your upper and lower teeth and with the A sound. Va. You see? The and Va. And to write it down, just like Ta, draw an elliptical shape and then pull down a stick on top and then put a dot at the top. Next letter is A. A. Like in the word Ain. Ain. A is a glottal sound and will sometimes it's a little hard for some people, so we're gonna have to speak a little bit more about the letter A. To write it down, draw a half circle but small, and then a half circle but big. The last letter we have today is the letter Gha. Gha. Like in the word Ghab. Ghab. It's a little bit of a challenge for some people, so we're gonna have to speak about it with more and deep details. And to write down Gha, just like Ha, draw a half circle, small, and then a bigger half circle, and then put the dot at the top. Okay guys, this is the end of our video today, and I'll see you in the next video. Ma salama.